All right, so foam A, if I stirred it up a little bit, you can see how thick it is. It's very viscous. So viscous means it's like syrup or honey. It doesn't flow very good. It's stickier. Like water is not viscous. Water flows readily, but this stuff is stickier, so this is more viscous. B is a little bit runnier than A. Oh, stop, go away. B is a little bit runnier than A, but not as runny as like water. So it's still a little bit viscous, but not quite as viscous as A is. Yeah, vicious. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do first is mix the foam together. So I'm gonna add some food coloring to A. Let's go dark blue. So we'll add several of blue.
Ooh, what's that back there?
That's what we're doing.
Really?
Yeah, that's what this is gonna be.
Oh, cool.
So we mix the foam together, the foam cups. So I added some blue coloring to A.
Isn't like David Dobrik do this? Or is that not the same thing?
That's
do you know
like
what I'm-
Elephant toothpaste.
Yeah.
I want to do that.
This is not the same, but it does use a catalyst and it does foam up like that, but this is a little bit slower.
I would love to do that.
This
at
is more
some
like
time.
an ooze. It oozes.
I'd love to do that.
All right, so
sometime.
now we're gonna
Sounds
mix these together. I'm gonna pour B into A. It really doesn't matter which one you pour, but I find it easier to pour the one that's runnier. If that makes sense. Try to get as much of it in there as you can. All right, done with that one. Okay, so now we're gonna mix these together. We should see a little bit of a color change happen. They should get lighter. Starting to. You guys can see that, they're getting lighter a little bit. Okay. Try to mix it all together so we get all of it mixed in. All right, it's getting a little bit stinky, so we're gonna put that in the fume hood.
You say stinky?
Yeah,
Smell.
it's a little bit smelly. Kind of smells like paint thinner. All right, so we're gonna put that in here and watch it expand. That's yours. For the resin, A is the runnier of the two for the resin. A is a little bit runnier. Oh, I needed to use that for the color. Oh well. B is the thicker of the two. So now we got our resin. I'm going to add some color to our resin. I'm going to make it, let's do red. so this is the color. Mix that in.
Whoa, ours is huge.
Looks like a mushroom.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, yours is gonna overflow.
Ours
That's
is
cool.
ours is puffing like outwards, not like
Yeah.
upwards. It really looks like a mushroom.
Yeah, that's kind of cool.
It's just going to the ground now.
I probably put a little bit more in yours than I did the other ones. The other ones just went straight up, but yours is, yeah, this is usually what happens. I usually do that. But the other three just went up. So, okay, so colors mixed in pretty good. All right, now we're gonna add it to part B here. Okay. I'm gonna try to mix it all in as best we can. Okay, mix it up really good. And then I think you guys need a picture of it mixed in the cup. So go ahead and grab a picture of that real quick. Picture, grab a screenshot. All right,
So this is the resin or whatever?
this one's the resin, yeah. All right, so now we're gonna pour it into the molds. Let's do
Can
some-
we eat it?
No.
That looks like good.
These are, I think we've got these like little candy molds on
Yeah, those are
Amazon.
definitely candy molds. That's why
Yeah.
I said it looks good.
But when these come out, they will not be candy. Definitely get some dinosaurs because these are my favorite. Stop.
Oh, that's sweet.
Whoa,
Perfect.
too much.
So is this what?
It's hard. Whoa, that was too much.
This is what Legos are made out of?
I think so, yeah. I think Legos are thermo sets.
But it's gonna connect them.
Oh, you can't see. You can't kick it out.
I know, they don't have holes on the bottom.
Oh, you made
There's
that?
holes
Lego?
right here.
Yeah,
Oh, they
That
connect.
goes in.
They connect right
but
there.
they take a lot of resin to fill up.
Oh.
I'll get it out. I'll get it out. I'll get it out.
You feel weird.
But they look like Lego candy.
Yeah.
They do.
Have you
Yeah.
ever had Lego candy?
All right, so we got our stuff poured into molds, so you need a picture of that too. So go ahead and get pictures of them in the molds, and we'll check on them at the end of class.
Once I get rock solid.
They should change color a little bit. They should get, so right now they kind of look translucent, transparent a little bit. They should get more like this where you can't see, like more opaque. Nice. You see how, man, I was trying to make them red. They're pink.
Is that what you tried to do with these two?
Yeah, so I used more and it still came out pink.
At least it's like a darker pink.
Yeah,
This one's a little wet.
that one is. That was the last one I poured, so it might not be mixed up all the way.
You can like feel it's all
Oh
wet.
my gosh, those look so good.
They are not candy. Do not consume.
These look like candy. I don't know why.